everyone, and welcome to Ohio Valley Couponer. Today when you guys are seeing it, it's going to be Monday, April the 17th of 2023. I'm coming at you guys for Target for an awesome week of deals you can grab over here. We got some really good stuff. We have some good discounts on laundry products. Now, no, the gift card deal. You guys, if you follow Instagram and social media, you probably saw Sunday morning a bunch of people were talking about this gift card deal. Well, Target changed that to exclude the ones that have the really good circle offer. But they actually are still a pretty good deal on their own. I found some clearance and just some great stuff to share. So we got that to talk about today. We have some really great deals and I cannot wait to share all of them with you guys in this video. So in the description box, I will have a link to the printable breakdown. You can print it out, bring it with you in the store, view it on your phone, whatever you want to do. Also in the description, I have the link to get on the rebate apps like Ibotta, Shopkick, Fetch, Swagbucks, Merryfield. Get signed up for these apps. I have my referrals down below to do that. So guys, that's all I got to say. Let's just dive right into our Target deals for this week.
All right, so if your Target sells the Bulldog face, no, not face wash. They have face wash at $7.19, but they have shaving cream that's $6.99. Buy that shaving cream for $6.99. There's a $4 circle, so you're gonna pay $2.99, get $3 on Ibotta, making it totally free plus a 1 cent moneymaker. Now, if you would rather have the face wash, that is $7.19, $4 circle, $3 Ibotta, 19 cents. So that's an option as well. But yeah, nice deals on the Bulldog products if your store carries. Okay, so a really great deal this week on the Core Keto birthday cake flavored bars. My store does not carry them. That's the theme today. It must be that they don't carry stuff. But it's a good deal if your store has it. So they are $2.39 at Target, and there's a 35% circle offer you can use, which will take off 84 cents. And then the Ibotta app has a rebate for $1 back. So just make it 55 cents, but it has to be the Core Keto birthday flavored one specifically. So keep that in mind, but really a pretty awesome deal for that. Okay guys, we have a really great deal on Palmolive dish soap. Thank you to Save with Sarah. This is a really awesome deal if your store carries the right size, which my lovely Target does not. But the Palmolive dish soap, they have some that are $3.19, so if your store carries it, $3.19. There is a 10% off circle, it's gonna take off 32 cents, and there's a 75-cent manufacturer circle it's gonna come off. Then the Ibotta app has a rebate for $1.25 back, making it just 87 cents, which that's a really good deal for some Palmolive. So if you got the right size at your store, you're good to go. Awesome deal. All right, guys, we have an awesome deal on Philadelphia cream cheese this week, as long as the rebate lasts. I have no idea when they'll change it. They've changed this one several times, but it actually has been in our favor because it's gone up in value. But the Philadelphia cream cheese at Target is $3.19. There's a rebate on Swagbucks now for $4.50 back when you buy two. So you'll get that back, and it's gonna make it $1.88 for both, or 94 cents a brick, which is a great deal. All right, guys, we have a really nice deal on the Chic Silk Hydro Silk Touchups. These guys at Target are $4.99 each, and we have a circle offer for $4 off, making it 99 cents. If you would rather, or if you want to get more than one, you could do it on the coupons.com or ShopMeum apps. You could buy one and submit to that. Now remember, you can't combine them both together. I've had several people mention that lately. You can't combine them both together, but you'd have to do 2 transactions. So buy one, submit that receipt to coupons.com, buy another one, submit it to ShopMeum. So you could get 2 that way. So you actually could get 3, one with the circle and then one on coupons.com and one on ShopMeum. But 99 cents is a pretty nice deal, so I thought I would mention. How many weeks are they going to give us this Pure Zero? I don't get it. The Pure Zero is $5.99. We got a 40% off circle that came this week, so you can use that. It's going to take off $2.40, and there's a circle for $2.50, so it's just going to make it $1.09. So if you want some more Pure Zero in your life, there you go. So we have an Ibotta rebate for $1 back for Temptations cat treats. So let me go ahead and mention the cheapest ones are $2.59. Guys, these used to be $1.50. Does anybody remember those days? They're $2.59 now. We have $1 on Ibotta, making them $1.59. Some of them are $2.79. This one is $2.39, the Tender Fulls variety. So that's an option as well. It's actually cheaper. So yeah, as low as $1.39 for the Temptations. All right, guys, we have a deal on some laundry products today. Now, If you guys saw all over social media yesterday, or when you guys, I'm filming this on Sunday, so today when I'm filming, but you guys are seeing it Monday. So anyways, posted on Sunday, a bunch of people were doing a really good double dip between the plant-based detergents, because there's an awesome circle offer we have right now for 50% off of plant-based detergents and fabric softeners. And there was a gift card deal for if you bought 3, you get a $10 gift card. Well, Target got sneaky and pulled the plant-based detergents from that gift card deal. So if you buy 3 of the plant-based detergents, it is not working anymore. It doesn't show it is working in the Target app anymore. If your store's got the signage up, I mean, technically they should honor it, but I'm not even going to tell you the deal based on that, since they did go ahead and yank it today. So yeah, but there are still some good deals with that circle offer and coupons we have available. So the 9 elements here, the purifying softener, this is on clearance for $11.04. Use the 50% circle, so that's going to make it $5.59. And then there's a $3 manufacturer circle, so it makes it just $2.59, which is actually a really good deal. And then we have one on Downy. Am I looking right at it? It's right here, the Downy Nature Blends. The Downy Nature Blends, they're $10.99. 50% circle makes it $5.49, and then there is a $2 manufacturer circle for this, so it makes it $3.49. So even though they got sneaky and changed up the gift card and all that, still a pretty good deal. So I wanted to mention those. Alright guys, Target Easter clearance officially went 90% off. Our store hardly has anything left except for candy, which candy's 70% off, but I found a couple little hidden things that are 90. So I found these baking cups, 75 counts. These guys are 20 cents, which is great. Just ran out of our Christmas ones, so we're gonna get those. Then my mom got some Easter decorations, so we found this bunny here. This is 60 cents, regularly $6, and then this Easter plaque, regularly 10 for $1. So 90% off anything that's Eastery that's not candy. I got for our deals video this week. I really hope y'all did enjoy this, and thank you so much for watching.